everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. Today we are going to be doing a summer fashion haul and I'm going to show you guys all the kurtas and dresses that I got. You might hear a little bit of disturbance because I'm sitting outside in my balcony and shooting. So let's begin, and I got few dresses and some of them are kurtas. Very summer friendly, most of them are summer friendly. So this is my first pick and my favorite one. I got this from Nykaa Fashion. And this is from a brand called Thread and Buttons. So this is a long maxi dress, and this one I think I posted a picture also wearing this on Instagram. So it's a very pretty one. It has a little bit of flare and it has this tie-up knot which goes around the waist, and it is long sleeves. It has like a v-neck which is that angarka style. But it's not a jacket, it is a dress, so you won't be able to wear it as a jacket. This doesn't have a separation. So this I think was on sale when I got it. I will put all the prices here because I don't remember, and each one of them is from a different site, unlike my usual Myntra hauls. So I'll have to put the details in the description box or here. You'll see them on the screen. So this is a very soft fabric, so very comfortable for summer even though it's full hands. It's not as transparent that you would need a slip, so you don't need a slip for this. It is hand painted, really beautiful flowers. These have been around. I've seen them on a couple of different websites. So finally anyway ended up getting this one. You can probably hear a lot of kids playing in the background. Next up we have this really pretty mustard kurta. This is also a very beautiful long kurta, and here it has a little bit of chips. It has a little bit of thread work detailing here, and this one also has like full hands, and in fact this one has chudi hands, and this one has a huge flare, like you can twirl around in it, and this is cotton and it has lining. Again, a pretty comfortable fabric, breathable, and in the front actually it has this for a tie-up knot. I've placed it inside, so I keep wearing it both ways, but it has a huge flare, a very beautiful one again. And I actually got a bigger size in this, but it seems to be a little fitted, and I've seen some others wear it too, so I'm assuming the size is a little different in this brand. This is from Raisin Global. You can find this brand on Myntra as well, but I think I got it from their website. Again, I got it during a sale because otherwise I think they're a little expensive. So all the outfits that you'll see in this video will probably be around 1500 or 2000 in that range. Usually I do Myntra hauls where they're priced a little more affordably. This one is a little bit higher. I will be doing another haul with summer dresses which are going to be super affordable too. But for this one I got a little bit of party wear or like, you know, dressy ones. So let's move to the next one. Next up we have something in Kalamkari, and this is from Tijori. Tijori is also one of the sites which I've been meaning to try from a very long time. It's your pretty basic Kalamkari, but then it has like so much detailing. At the top it has this Kalamkari and a waistband also which is in Kalamkari, and rest of it is in black. And then again it has like borders in like rice Kalamkari. And then you have like a huge flare, and at the bottom also there's a huge 3-layered Kalamkari flare. So on the whole it's like a beautiful combination of black and Kalamkari. You can easily wear like a Kalamkari dupatta on this and make it a set, but I have been wearing it as a kurta. Again, a cotton fabric, a very nice fabric, not too transparent. Unless you're wearing it as a dress, you might need to wear shorts underneath it, but otherwise not that transparent. You can pull it off. You wouldn't need like a full size or full length slip for it. It's definitely manageable. So that's our next kurta. It has a little bit of coin detailing here, and I got this in XXL. All of these, by the way, are curve friendly, so you'll find sizes in these. Most of them even have much bigger sizes like 4XL, 5XL and so on. So I have done a couple of other hauls which are curve friendly too, so do check them out. I'll leave like links in the description box. I've done one H&M haul recently. I've done something from Meesho, and then there was an Amazon Kurtas haul too. I'll leave all of the links in the description box so that you can check them out. This is our next kurta. I was wearing this in one of my recent videos where I think it was in my Ajio haul video. So this is from Lifestyle. It's from the brand Melange. and I was just in the mall for something else, and it happened so that a whole rack was on sale and I picked this up. It has a nice flare. It is that umbrella cut. It doesn't have kalis, but it has like really nice sort of gota patti work here, and the sleeves are plain, just has little piping. So this one is also very comfortable. The fabric is very soft. So I had to shift inside for the rest of the video because my battery died, my camera battery died, and then sun is starting to set, so I had to come back inside. So you might hear a little bit of fan. If I switch off the fan, then I'm gonna like sweat like crazy. So I'm keeping the fan. Now moving on. So I think I was showing this dress. So this is what I got from Lifestyle. It's from the brand Melange in I think double XL. So I think Melange double XL is the last size, but because it has flare, it's fine. It would fit one size up as well. So yeah, this is the dress that I got, and the fabric is really soft. You can see that it has a little bit of shine. It's not cotton. I don't think it is rayon. I'm not really sure what the fabric is, but it is quite soft, so definitely wearable even during this season. Kurtas, which I just show you guys, are my recent picks. Like I got them very recently, and before this I got two other dresses from ashrumo.com. A couple of months back I posted this video called 10 Indian brands to try out. So I mentioned that in that video that I had ordered something from Ashrumo, but I don't think I showed it in a haul video. But if you follow me on Instagram, or if you've seen my birthday vlog, you would have seen these dresses. Since I haven't shown them properly, I'm going to show them. I hope it's not repetitive for someone who's already seen these. So this was in one of my Instagram reels. So this is the first one. I got this quite some time back, but it is still available on the website, and I got this on sale. So this one I actually got like triple XL, and it is a little bit loose, but they do have like good sizes. So this has a little bit of work, if you can see. So it has this sort of a border and little bit of chicken work even on the kurta. So even on the dress it has a little bit of chicken or like self work. So this is the slip dress. It is quite long and can be worn as a dress. Very pretty one. It can be worn as it is just by itself, but it does come with a jacket. This is the jacket that it came with. So even the jacket has this really nice cut work. Entire one at the back also it has this cut work entirely. So this is cotton and the fabric is very nice, and this one has lining, so you don't need to wear a slip, and since especially because it has like straps, so yeah, it has lining till like below the knees, so you wouldn't need a slip, and it's a very comfortable fabric, very soft, and I really like the quality. So I got two outfits from this brand, and the quality of the fabric is really good. They have a lot of good collection. I was looking to get a floral dress, but it was not available in my size. It was available only in extra small, so I did not end up getting it, but yeah, very nice quality. So I was wearing this paired with saki jacket as well. So since it is off-white, plain off-white dress, it goes well with so many different outfits. You can style it in so many different ways. I think I might post something on Instagram styling it in different ways. Let me know if you'd like to watch that, and also follow me on Instagram if you're not following me there yet. I do post like such quick hacks and styling videos there. So this is the jacket from Saki. I've shown this in one of my haul videos. So it has like this little bit of print, and at the borders has little lace. So this one is also good. The quality is really good. I haven't gotten anything else from Saki after that. So yeah, I paired them together and it looks really good, and you can wear it with a belt and accessories and it would look really good. Last one that I wanted to show you guys is this dress. I wore it for my birthday. So I wanted to originally get the floral dress, but since it was not available in my size, and I had been eyeing this also from a long time, so I got this. You would have seen this in my birthday vlog or pictures on Instagram. So it has like a really nice flare, and it has these lace detailing all over. The hands also have the same thing, and it has tie-up knots here. It's a high collar dress. So here when there's lace, also there is lining. Like there's a black fabric here, there's no lining, but like even when there is a lace here, so it's not transparent. There's no lining for this one, but it's not that transparent, so you can wear it as a dress. without a slip also. I'm talking about without slip because it's summer and it's gonna get a little hot. I really like the quality from this brand. So this is the next dress. This one's also like a midi dress. So these two are from Astrumo, and apart from this I got some others. I think a lot of you guys asked me to try artshow.com, so I ordered some things from there as well, so you will see that in the next haul. So I think I'll do a different haul for kurta sets or like party wear sets, so probably that will come up next. And I also have an Amazon haul coming up where I'll show you guys like simple casual wear for summer and some home decor. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And that is it for this video, you guys. I know it's been a while since I posted a kurtas haul, so I hope you enjoyed this. I'll leave all the links in the description box to check it out. I have 2-3 other hauls coming up, and also if you haven't seen my previous kurta hauls, I'll link them in the description box. Do check it out. There was an Amazon haul, Ajio haul, and also recently I went to Charminar for some fabric. So check out all these videos if you missed them, and I will be back with more hauls. And let me know if you'd like me to do any other styling videos or anything else. I'll definitely do them, so leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and my Telugu channel. I'll be posting videos every week on both my channels, and also follow me on Instagram for more. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.